Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn about some important points or some of the names actually of those enzymes which are active in phosphorylated form and those enzymes which are which are active in dephosphorylated form. So if you see, those enzymes which are active in phosphorylated form are glycogen phosphorylase, then the enzymes of gluconeogenesis, then citrate lyase, phosphorylase kinase, HMG-CoA reductase kinase. All these are the enzymes which are active in phosphorylated forms. Then enzymes like glycogen synthase and key enzymes of glycolysis, acetyl-CoA carboxylase, pyruvate dehydrogenase and HMG-CoA reductase. All these are the enzymes which are active in dephosphorylated form. This table is very important. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.